everybody? Is everybody okay? Sarap kasi umupo ng ganito, guys. Very, very comfortable. Guys, 33 viewers. Can you please also give me likes and subscribe my channel? Alan, good evening, Salve. Hello, Alan. HB Flash. Hi. Captain for reporting on duty, boss. Wow, hello. So, nakita ko parang nalalawa naman ang live nito. Hindi pa naman. Malapit na. Mura kang balot, Ana. Sige lang, good, Mark. Ano ko magina ni Mark? Kanina pa ako nagsaksak to. Kanina pa ako nagsaksak Ayusin mo, kailangan masira yung mga daliri mo kapag tamsak. How was your day? It was good, Tosaf. I'm good. How about you guys? How's your day? Hello, Shonito. Hello, everybody. I'm about to what? To balot that egg thing. Yeah, something like, I wonder if she sings like Miss Jill does. No! I'm not a good singer, Alan. Who are you, Alan? You maybe... I think you're Dragon Balls. Are you Dragon Balls? Nanghula talaga ako sa live ko. Tingnan natin kung hindi ko kayo mahulaan. Are you Dragon Balls, Alan? Bakit kasi hindi ka pa mag-asawa ni Jim? Marami na akong asawa. Hindi mo ba alam, Daddy? Daddy likes to come. Si Ricky, nahulaan ko nga. Ano nga siya si Teddy. Nahulaan ko na siya si Teddy. Kahit anong gawin niyo, hindi kayo makakalusot sa akin. Para matigil na mga kaibangan ko sa inyo. Matagal na ako nagkasawa, Ricky. Hindi mo alam. Teddy pala, Teddy. If you start singing, then no one can stand nearby. You can sing, it doesn't need it to be very good. I know you are dragon. Right? You are dragon. Si Dragon lang yung napapakanta sa akin. Si Dragon lang yung napakanta ako. Bakit mo naman na ano yung kanta? Alam ko si Dragon ka. Hi, how are you, beautiful lady? Hello, Jamal. I'm okay. I'm very okay. Kumakanta naman ako, pero wala akong alam na lyrics eh. I don't know. Wala akong alam na lyrics. Hindi ko rin alam yung tono. Wala akong alam yung tono. Ano ako, kanta. Tapos wala rin ako alam ng lyrics, guys. So sad. Hi, Miraba, Malad. Hi, Bikir Rahman. Kaya ayun. Tigil na lang tayo. Tigil tayo sige. If you sing, then people can sleep at night. It's okay. It's okay. I know people can't sleep imagining me. Okay, you don't have to sing if you don't want to. Maybe some other time. What kind of song you want to sing? Because I don't know what's the I don't know how to sing. So listen to me, guys. Guys, please subscribe your Vicky Rockman. Sus, kaganta ka, wag na, baka umulan namin kasama pa ang kulong. Kulong. Ay, umulan na nga. Umulan na dito.